Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD climbs to session tops, eyeing to reclaim 1.3100 marked. ntvforex.com news IDB 5/8D2 28 minutes ago by Haresh Menghani. GBP USD gained traction on Thursday and recovered further from Wednesday's over 1-week lows. The heavily offered tone surrounding the USD was seen as a key factor behind the pair's positive move. The near-term technical setup warrants some caution before placing any aggressive directional bets. The GBP USD pair jumped to fresh session tops in the last hour, with bulls now eyeing a move towards reclaiming the 1.3100 round figure mark. The pair gained some positive traction on Thursday, snapping 2 consecutive days of the losing streak and recovered further from the key 1.3000 psychological mark, or over 1-week lows set in the previous day. The positive move was exclusively sponsored by the prevalent offered tone surrounding the US dollar, which remained depressed in the wake of the impasse over the next round of the US fiscal stimulus. The greenback was further pressured by a fresh leg down in the US Treasury bond yields after a record $38 billion auction. This comes amid the latest optimism over a potential vaccine for the highly contagious coronavirus disease, which further undermined the USD's relative safe haven status against its British counterpart. This, in turn, remained supportive of the intraday positive move for the GBP USD pair. Apart from a broad-based USD weakness, the uptick lacked any obvious fundamental catalyst and hence, runs the risk of fizzling out rather quickly. Expectations that the U.S. lawmakers will eventually reach a consensus on the stimulus measures might hold investors from placing aggressive USD bearish bets and keep a lid on any strong gains for the GBP USD pair. Even from a technical perspective, the pair has been oscillating in a broader trading range since the beginning of this month. This makes it prudent to wait for some strong follow-through buying before positioning for any further appreciating move. Conversely, a sustained break below the 1.3000 mark will be seen as a fresh trigger for bearish traders. Moving ahead, market participants now look forward to the release of the U.S. initial weekly jobless claims. The data might influence the USD price dynamics and produce some meaningful trading opportunities later during the early North American session. Technical levels to watch. GBP USD overview today. Last price 1.3086 today. Daily change 0.0052 today. Daily change percent 0.40 today. Daily open 1.3034 NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 1.2919 daily SMA 50 1.2687 daily SMA 100 1.2529 daily SMA 200 1.2712 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 1.3068 previous daily low 1.3006 previous weekly high 1.3186 previous weekly low 1.2982 previous monthly high 1.317 previous monthly low 1.236 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 1.3029 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 1.3044 daily pivot point S1 1.3004 daily pivot point S2 1.2973 daily pivot point S3 1.2941 daily pivot point R1 1.3066 daily pivot point R2 1.3098 daily pivot point R3 1.3128 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.